In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Meta AI on Instagram. Let's explore how to make sure this exciting feature appears on your Instagram account if it's available. First, it's crucial to ensure your Instagram app is up to date. This is the most important step. Head to the Play Store or App Store on your device, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap it. Updating your app is essential. It ensures you have all the latest features and fixes any possible bugs. By keeping your app updated, you maximize your chance of accessing Meta AI as soon as it's available for your account. Once that's done, let's see if Meta AI is available for you. Open the Instagram app and tap on the search bar, which looks like a magnifying glass. Type in phrases like Ask Meta AI or Meta AI. If you see these suggestions appear, congratulations, Meta AI is already enabled for your account. You can start using it right away. Now, let's check another area where Meta AI might show up. Open your Instagram messages, also known as DMs. Here, you should look for a chat labeled Meta AI or an icon in the search bar for Meta AI. If you see either of these, you can tap on it to start interacting with Meta AI. This will allow you to begin exploring what the AI can do for you within Instagram. If Meta AI is available, you can use it directly within DMs or chats. You can type messages to Meta AI in your direct messages. Alternatively, use the command @MetaAI followed by your request in a chat. For example, you might type @MetaAI, give me caption ideas for a travel post. This is one of the exciting ways Meta AI can assist you. It offers creative suggestions that can enhance your social media presence. Now, it's important to share a reality check about Meta AI. You cannot manually enable Meta AI through any settings on Instagram. Instagram controls the rollout of this feature. It's based on your region and the type of account you have. This means that if you don't see it yet, your account might not be eligible right now. Instagram will automatically add it when you are eligible. Remember, patience is key here. Instagram's rollout process is gradual. It takes time to reach every user. Keeping your app updated and checking the features regularly will help you stay ahead. If you don't have access yet, don't worry, it might become available soon. To recap, make sure your app is updated, check for Meta AI in the search bar, and explore your direct messages for any Meta AI icons or chats. These steps are your best bet to ensure Meta AI appears when it becomes available for your account. I hope this guide has been helpful in understanding how to get Meta AI enabled on Instagram. Following these steps will ensure you're ready to use this feature as soon as it's available. Stay tuned for more updates and enjoy exploring the possibilities that Meta AI brings to your Instagram experience.